We are now set to publish our software. But before we do that, if you remember, I told you that when we are done creating the software, we must come back to the program.cs and get rid of this line. We can just comment it. Undo, and then comment that line, because in the future we may come back here to make some modification and we will still need this line. So let's just comment it out. Click save. This will enable the compiler to access the database in the root folder. We save everything. To publish the software, we can go to build, we can select publish, supermarket billing system, or we can right click on the software here and go to publish. It's the same thing. Now on the desktop, I have a folder there, SBS setup. I am using that folder. I must also say that there is also a third-party software that when you install, it will be integrated into the Visual Studio application, and that also enable you to create your setup files. In fact, maybe in future videos or tutorials, I'll show you how to use such third-party applications. But this one here too is okay, it's good enough. You can still get your setup file and install. The only thing is that it is not sophisticated as the third-party applications or software where you can add your license agreement and all that. Now when this is specified, we can just click finish to create our setup files for us. Done. Desktop, this is our folder, and this here are our application files. So we have, let's go into this folder, let's open this. We have our database files, we have our configuration files and everything in here. This is the setup that we will have to install. Let's double click. Click install. And it has been installed. Yeboah 1234 as the password, and this is the main interface. Let's close it. Now let's search for the application that is supermarket billing system. Let's click, and it opens Yeboah or admin, any of them. We enter our password and it opens, let's see, transactions, manage stock, and we are able to access the database. In fact, if we were not able to connect to the database, the login interface will not even give us access to the main form. Let's add one more product. I'll call it my product. Set the quantity, click add. You missed a required field, and that is true. Set the price, click add, and it has been added to our database. We can close this, go back to inventory, manage stock, and it is there. So everything is now working perfectly. We can click log out, it brings us here, and we can close it. You can now copy this folder and install this application on any machine. But of course, you must have SQL Server installed on that machine before this application can work. Thank you for taking this course. I hope it was worth your while. Please go to the contact page and tell me what you think about the course. All comments are welcome. Whatever that is on your mind and think wasn't good enough, please feel free to share with me so that they can be improved upon in the subsequent courses. Hope to see you again in the other courses. Thank you.